Monday's headlines had a way of hitting Candace
It was absolutely a gut punch.
where it matters most, her family.
They're the reason I get up in the morning. I just want them to be safe and to be happy, and that's it.
Candace is a Coloradan now calling New Zealand home. She moved her family there in July in fear that her transgender daughter would lose access to gender-affirming care in the States. Last week, New Zealand's health minister made those fears a reality, claiming there isn't enough evidence showing the risk and benefits of that kind of care, so the country would stop new puberty blocker prescriptions for transgender minors like Candace's daughter.
We had done so much research and we did not settle on this country lightly. So it really did take us by surprise. We just uprooted our entire lives to end up right back in the exact same situation we were in 4 months ago when we left.
The policy doesn't take effect until mid-December, giving Candace time to see if her daughter wants and is eligible for puberty blockers. But medication or not, she says this news came with something she didn't think they would get back in the States. A little hope.
The rhetoric and the negativity is not here like it is in other places. Initially, I was like, we're here again. Did we just blow up everything for nothing? But then, the next day I saw her performing with her Haka group and I was just like, no, there were other reasons why we came here. And this is a massive roadblock, but it's just a roadblock.
That's what Candace will hold on to, because for her, headlines are nothing when family is everything.
During the move, we kept saying it's the four of us against the world, and it still is.
Candace hopes with an election year coming up, new leadership will reverse the change. The new policy will take effect December 19th. It won't affect minors already on puberty blockers, so if Candace's daughter starts treatment before then, she can continue. So they do have some time to get her started on it if she's eligible for it.
I know you've been following this family for a while. They didn't seem discouraged, but how do you think they're doing and just dealing with everything right now? The uncertainty.
Of course, yeah, they're heartbroken over it. This was something they were obviously trying to avoid. They did a lot of research before choosing New Zealand, so they thought they were avoiding this altogether, right? So now they're trying to pivot and trying to figure out a solution before they even tell their daughter. They haven't even told their daughter yet, simply because they want to make sure they have the right answers for her.
What are their concerns about their daughter's reaction? Did they talk to you about that?
Well, I spoke to their daughter back in July, and she carried a lot of emotions over the move. She knew why their family was moving, because of her. So she felt responsible, right, for them. So I think they want to do everything they can for her to know that it's okay and that everything's going to be fine and that they will find a solution here.
Julissa, thank you. Good luck to them.